Hello everyone, Namaste. How are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in our A to Z series, we have the alphabet U, and from U we will be talking about urine retention. Urine retention is a problem in which you are not able to pass your urine. Okay, like your urinary bladder is holding the urine so tight, like you are feeling to urinate, you want to urinate, but you are not able to urinate. In that problem, let us see acupressure points which will help for it. One of the best acupressure point we'll be discussing about it. So the location of the point. So before knowing the location of the point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. And also, these days we are sharing so many informative posts on our WhatsApp channel. You can also go and follow our channel so that you can receive different types of switch words, you can receive different kinds of switch numbers, healing codes, and then mudras, food related benefits, and all these thing posts you will receive. Okay, and they are in Hindi as well as in English, so that people from English side, my English viewers also can see that and understand that, and my Hindi viewers can also understand that. So if you want to get that post also daily updates about all these things, then please do follow our WhatsApp channel too. The link of the WhatsApp channel will be given in the description box itself. You can check it out. So the best point over here for urine retention is on the front side of our hand, on the middle finger. Just above the first joint of the middle finger, towards the small finger we have this point. This point is called as K4, kidney 4. Okay, this is see, normally we have the points on this side, okay, on this part of the side, but this is more towards the small finger side, on the end side. Okay, so do remember this point is K4. This point is located on both the hands. So what we will do over here, we will take one jimmy. We will take a jimmy and we'll press a point properly for 30 seconds to 1 minute on both the hands. And then what we will do, we will apply one buell magnet on this point in such a way that the white side of the buell magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you will see the yellow side of the buell magnet. That means we need to sedate the energy of this point. Okay, we need to decrease the energy of this point. Do this treatment daily and you will definitely see results in your urine retention problem. Do remember, doing this points for once or for twice or a week won't give any kind of results to you. So like, as long as you are having this problem, like how much longer you are having this problem, do remember that it will take that much time to receive results too, to get results too. So please do be patient and do this treatment daily so that you can get 100% results. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone. If you're liking our A to Z series, then please do subscribe my channel.